Slide 1, Understanding the Respiratory System, Q&A session. Welcome to our comprehensive exploration of the respiratory system. This presentation will guide you through the intricate workings of this vital system using a series of questions and answers. We'll cover the structures and functions that ensure the flow of oxygen and the removal of carbon dioxide, keeping us alive with every breath. Slide 2. The purpose and protection of the respiratory system. The main purpose of the respiratory system is to facilitate the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the body. Oxygen from the air is absorbed into the blood through the lungs, while carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular respiration, is expelled during exhalation. Protective structures include the ribs, which safeguard the lungs by forming a protective cage around the chest cavity. Slide 3. The journey of air, from nose to lungs. Tiny hairs and mucus in the nose filter and clean the air by trapping dust particles, bacteria, and foreign substances. These can be expelled through sneezing. 2. Nasal cavity. Located at the back of the nose, the nasal cavity opens into the pharynx, allowing air to pass through during breathing. 3. Pharynx. The pharynx connects the nasal cavity to the trachea, serving as a pathway for air to enter the respiratory system. 4. Trachea. Known as the windpipe, the trachea directs air from the larynx to the thorax, continuing the air's journey toward the lungs. Slide 4. Branching out from trachea to bronchioles. 1. Trachea. The trachea splits into two large tubes known as bronchi. 2. Bronchi. These are the two primary branches of the trachea, leading air into each lung. 3. Bronchioles. Within the lungs, the bronchi divide into smaller tubes called bronchioles, which further transport air to the alveoli for gas exchange. Slide 5. The diaphragm, the breathing muscle. Location. The diaphragm is a muscle situated at the base of the chest cavity, forming a critical boundary between the thoracic and abdominal regions. Function. It contracts and flattens during inhalation to create more space in the chest cavity, drawing air into the lungs. During exhalation, it relaxes and moves upward to expel air. Slide 6. Alveoli, the gas exchange centers. What are alveoli? Alveoli are tiny, balloon-like air sacs located at the ends of bronchioles in the lungs. They serve as the primary sites where the exchange of gases occurs. Function. The alveoli facilitate the transfer of oxygen into the bloodstream while removing carbon dioxide from the blood to be expelled during exhalation. This process is essential for maintaining proper oxygen and carbon dioxide levels in the body. Slide 7. Review key components of the respiratory system. Nose filters and cleanses inhaled air, removing dust and foreign particles. Trachea directs air from the throat to the lungs. Lungs serve as the primary organs for gas exchange, where oxygen enters the blood and carbon dioxide is expelled. Diaphragm plays a critical role in the breathing process by contracting and relaxing to enable inhalation and exhalation. Slide 8. Conclusion. The breath of life. We've explored the intricate workings of the respiratory system, from the filtering role of the nose to the gas exchange in the alveoli. This vital system tirelessly sustains life by facilitating the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide with every breath. Understanding its components and functions deepens our appreciation for the complexity of our bodies and underscores the importance of maintaining respiratory health.